Hello my friends, welcome. Today we will show you how to install our wall panel easily and quickly. First, let's introduce the tools required for the installation. Following to introduce you the installation step. Before installation, we should first observe whether the wall is flat or not. If the wall is somewhere concave and convex, make the convex part in flat and then to install the wall panels. If the wall tilts uneven, first install the nail and install the wall panel. Now measure the flatness of the wall with electronic level meter. Visible from the electronic level meter, the wall is flat and then to install the panels directly. Cut all wall panels height according to the actual wall height. Set out according to the layout with electronic level meter. Position the installation wall with carpenter's ink marker and make the vertical ink lines. Cut the first panel male slot. Put the structure adhesive on the panel backside. Then fix it on the wall. Insert the stainless clip to the female slot of the wall panel and fix with self-taping screw or with a steel nail gun. Each 2.8 meter high wall panel should be fixed with 4 to 5 stainless clasps. The stainless between each two stainless clip is about 50 to 60 centimeters. Embed it into other wall panel according to male and female slots. Put the picture's wall panel together on the ground and check the dimensions. Then cut the remaining edge of the wall panels. Install the picture's wall panels on the wall and fix it. According to external corner position wall sides. Cut the wall panel male slots. Cut the groove in the back of the wall panels with the electric router. Put the structural adhesive in the groove. Then bending the wall panels to fit on the external corner area. The external corner position also can be used 25mm exterior corner trim or L-type aluminum trim. According to the size of the corner position, cut the Cornice line into 45 degrees bevel angles and then to put them together. Then fix the mark card on the wall panel and install the Cornice line. According to the layout, cut the picture's molding lines of the spray frame into 45 degrees bevels and then to put them together. Then install special buckle on the wall panel. Install spray picture frame. According to layout, cut the Decor molding line into 45 degrees bevel angles and then to put them together. Then install the special clasp on the wall panel and install the frame of the molding line. According to the size of the corner position, cut the waistline into 45 degrees bevel angles and then to put them together. Then install special buckle on the wall panel. Install waistline. According to the size of the corner position, cut the fruit line into 45 degrees bevel angles and then put them together. Then install the special buckle on the wall panel and install the skirting line.